What is up, YouTube? It's another day in the Ideal Auto Factory. I'm McLovin. That's Chauncey right there. And we're about to wrap this 2020 Dodge Challenger in one piece on the side. Let me show you a little something. We already wrapped this side. It's going satin black. Satin black. And we're going matte black up top. It's gonna be beautiful. It says 392. We got our badges also with its template so that we can put them on in the right spot once we finish everything. It's looking good, guys. Looking really good. I'll be back once we get some stuff laid. Yeah, and then, we'll go from there. We're just winging it with this video. I just really want you guys to know that I haven't, given up on the YouTube train. You know what I'm saying? Just got work to do. But, hey. If you're watching this right now, thank you. Thank you very much. Cue the intro. We have put the vinyl out. It's completely laid or rolled out from front to the rear. We got magnets, we ready to go. Show y'all a bigger picture here. We're gonna peel the backing paper off. By the way, this is Avery Satin Black. We're gonna peel the backing paper off and get our fitment going. We're gonna pull the trunk down and the hood down right now, because we need to make sure we're gonna reach the line and cut excess. Squeegee! We're gonna get this party started.
It's muscle, bro. It's like, why?
Exactly what I've been thinking. That should have been a factory up. Cool. Load up. Right there. Right, that's what was stuff under the car. There would be nothing else going on in that car. Like, that was it. That was the only thing. Alright. So back here. And that sucker. A little further back. That a magnet? Yeah, there we go. Alright, cool. It goes for that here. Cool. That's nice. Alright. Oh, we got, yeah, that's what it is. Go too far. Alright, so when I was telling you about the how to make yourself more room in that pillow, that's what I meant. Like when you do this, just come back, tack it where you need it. About right there, right? So now everything else will come back.
And everything else got,
this slack.
Yeah.
So go ahead, yeah, lift it up. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead, pull it tight. Pull it tight, hard.
Yeah.
Pull it back. Alright.
That works for me.
Run. A little tighter. That's nice. And then this can go a little further up. Like that. Come on, I'm gonna curve it. curves, everything. All right, cool. Whew. So we getting it done. We got it down so far. We're going at it. My bad. Just getting the fender. Little roll right here. I don't even know what you call that. The door handle doesn't come out like before. The screw is like hidden behind there. It's still, you can see it, but the way it's set up, it's just not meant for a regular shop to just get in there and take the door handle out. So yeah, I'm doing my skills that I learned to make it happen. And yeah, we're getting in there. It's gonna be nice when I finish. And we're finished for the night. We have done a whole side again and the hood. Customer stopped by, dropped off some wrap. Don't know what brand of wrap it is, but yeah, he just wanted to drop it off because he was like, I don't know if it's good or not. He didn't know if it was good or not. So yeah, let me show you what we got so far. So it's all satin now on the sides. Good there. That's gonna go satin. Then we got the doors that's gonna go satin. Mirror's gonna go satin. And then boom, you can see the difference right there. Satin, matte. Between the three finishes of black. Paint, wrap. Customer is also gonna get a ceramic coat. And they're now thinking about getting Oracle or, you know, just a halo lights that'll go inside the the headlights. So that's this it's looking good. I'm feeling blessed. Hopefully he goes with it too, because I think it'll set the car off. He's on stock wheels right now, but it's Scat Pack 2020 stock wheels, which look amazing already. So I don't think he needs to change any of that. But if he goes with the headlights, he'll be able to make them red, and then it just takes the vehicle to a whole new level. It's already on another level. So yeah. But it's time for me to call it a night. The Ideal Auto Factory is officially closed for today. Thank you all for watching the video. Hey, share it, like, comment, you know. Hey, we're doing this and we're enjoying it. And I hope you enjoy watching. And I will catch you on the next video. Peace.